शरीर मुद्रा, आसन. Which are that we have seen? Which are the postures? Hast mudra, Hast mudra, Pad mudra, Sharir mudra, Asana. Yes, means sitting. If I am talking about Hast mudra, and then the first, if I am talking about in the Mathura school of art, Buddha always sitting and standing in the form of sitting or standing in the form of this Abhay mudra. Yes or not? Means I am ready to protect you. Abhay mudra. Yes, that you can see here. Abhay mudra. Understood it? So there is, I said, which mudra we have seen? Yes, tell me, Hast mudra mein. Abhay mudra in which school of art? Tell me. And what is the meaning of Abhay mudra? Protect. Yes, sir. Hast mudra. And when आप कभी बैठे हुए और then you are, I said that sitting on the position and doing like this. Yes or not? This two fingers are like this. So you are in the position to learn from within, a Gyan mudra. It is, I said that what? This is known as Gyan mudra. And you can say Gyan, और इसको ही पढ़ा जाता है ज्ञानम मुद्रा. ज्ञान मुद्रा. Can you see in your mind? आपको दिख रहा है? You can also see here. This is your what? Abhay mudra. Yes, and thereafter we have been able to see which one? Gyan mudra. And thereafter they are sitting like this and the position is in this one, and it is saying like what? Dhyan. They are in the meditation. So which mudra I said that? Which mudra? Which mudra? Dhyan. So which are the mudra we have seen till now? Abhay mudra, Gyan and Dhyan mudra. Is it okay? And कभी कभी आपने you have been able to see, आप किसी को रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं और समथिंग लाइक दिस, तो आपके डॉगी को आपका भी सभी मूवी में देखा होगा, उड़ जाएगा और ऐसे हाथ कर लेगा. Have you seen? Yes or no? So this position if you are doing in front of your king or something courtiers, इसका मतलब I am paying homage to you, respect to you. Yes or not? It is, so this mudra of Hast, it is known as what? Tarpana mudra. Which one I said that? Paying homage. Tarpan mudra. And what is the meaning of it? Paying homage. What you are paying? Homage. Understood? And you can see here. And sometimes आप ओथ लेते हो धरती को छूकर. Yes or not? तो भूमि स्पर्श mudra. Which mudra we have seen? Mudra. So that time you are taking some kind of, what I said that in the name of earth you are taking some kind of what? Oath. Is it okay? So which are the mudra till now we have seen? Abhay, Gyan, Dhyan, Tarpan, and then I said that Bhumi Sparsh. Or the another mudra is, I said that Dharma Chakra Pravartan. ये चीज ऐसा होना चाहिए और एक ये, दोनों में ऐसा होना चाहिए। जरूरी नहीं है कि क्या पोजीशन है। इट कैन बी लाइक दिस, इट कैन बी लाइक आई सेड दैट, इट कैन बी लाइक दिस आल्सो। क्लियर? तो यहां से ये ऐसे एंगल से ऐसे आ रहा हो, तो different kind of position of this, if you go and see and put the things on the Google, you can be able to see the different position of Buddha in the form of, I said that what, Dharma Chakra Pravartan, that is also Dharma Chakra Pravartan. So Dharma Chakra Pravartan Mudra, which I said that Dharma Chakra Dharma Chakra. So he has what, given the first sermon, the rule of the law for the society, for the human being, Dharma Chakra Mudra. Another point that we have to see, like I said, Varda. और वर्दा मुद्रा ऐसा है कि एक आपने ऐसे किया हुआ है, एक हाथ से ऐसे, और दूसरे को, you are feeling of compassion, you want to give something to the other. That one hand is over there, another hand is like this. So you are ready to give something, you are full of compassion for the others and ready to give. And that is known as the Varda, means Vardhan de do. Varda mudra. Which mudra? Which mudra I say? Varda mudra. Understood? So, which are the Hast mudra we have seen? Yes, tell me. Abhay mudra. Abhay, Abhay, Gyan, and then Dhyan. Abhay, Gyan, Dhyan, Tarpan, and then Bhumi Spas, Dharma Chakra Pravartan, and then Varda. Is it okay? So can you remember these 7 Hast Mudra? There is a several Hast Mudra, but the important, these are the 7 that you should study. And another one that we have to see, like I said that, and here it is what, Varda Mudra. And the next one we are going to see, I said that Pad Mudra. And it is, I said that Vaishnavam, Sampadam, Ali Danam, और अपने नोट्स में सही कर लीजिएगा, इट इज अली धाम लिखा हुआ, इट इज अली दानम. इन योर नोट्स इट इज रिटन अली धाम, बट यू हैव टू सी विच वन, अली दानम. क्लियर? उदर बंध एंड अर्धासम, इसके भी अर्धासम और है, एंड नहीं है, अर्धासम और मंडलम, अर्धासम और मंडलम. So the first one I said that Vaishnavam, and wherever you will go and you will see first Pad Mudra I am coming for, and then especially for the Lakshmi goddess. Which god? Lakshmi goddess. And then Lakshmi goddess, when it is sitting on the, I said that, so if I can say that their one leg is like this here, and then one leg, and one leg is little down. Here it is, this position. और आपको लगता है कि वो दोनों पैर ऐसे करके लक्ष्मी जी बैठी हुई हैं, but one leg is down, one leg is down, and that we can be able to see. Which one I said that? Able to see Vaishnavam, and this is the position of, I said that, Lakshmi goddess. Which goddess? Lakshmi goddess. Go and see, yes, कैसे बैठती हैं. That is, I said that Vaishnavam mudra. That is an I said about Pada mudra. So Pad mudra में which mudra we have seen? Vaishnavam. Yes or no? Can you see? And Ali Danam mudra. Which one I said that? Ali Danam mudra में the right leg should be, I said that, put forward. Yes or no? And which I said that? Ali Danam. और अली के धाम पे मुझे जाना हो तो राइट लेग ऐसे रखूंगा एंड आई विल मूव. एंड हनुमान जी को भी आपने उड़ते हुए ऐसे ही देखा होगा. यस. सो विच वन वी आर सीइंग? And if the left leg is like this, it is Prati Alidanam. It is, I said that, Prati Alidanam. If the left leg is there, up and forward, it is Prati Alidanam. And if the right leg is forward, it is, I said that, only Alidanam. Can you remember? So which are the mudra, Pad mudra we have been able to see? Vaishnavam. Yes, then Vaishnavam, Alidanam, and then Prati Alidanam. Prati Alidanam. And another one I said that Udar Bandha. And Udar Bandha, it is, I said that, for Ganesha. The god Ganesha. Who is, I said that? Udar Bandha. मतलब उनका पैर लगेगा कि किसी ने रस्सी से ऐसे बांध दिया है. Yes or not? पेट से चिपका रहता है, उनका पेट भी पूरा बाहर निकला हुआ है. Yes? हाँ. मतलब ये जरूरी नहीं कि एक पैर ऐसा हो, दोनों पैर ऐसा रहेगा. It is not like this. This is not उदर बंधा. उदर means this stomach. तो उदर से लगता है पैर चिपका हुआ है. Understood? So it is known as, I said that, Udar Bandha. And who is the famous god for this? Ganesha. Understood it? So which are that we have seen? Yes, tell me. Vaishnavam, Alidanam, and which one I said that? Prati Alidanam and Udar Bandha. And then we have seen Sampada, when you are giving equal weight. Sampada means, I said that, you are giving equal weight on the what? Both the legs. Equal weight on both the legs. It is known as, I said that, Sampada. And another one is Ardhasam. And then when the Lord Shiva was in the Natraja position, one leg is away or something like this and thrown out. One leg is thrown out, one leg is on the ground. Yes or not? One leg is thrown out. कोई भी डांस हो रही है, पैर ऊपर हो गया. It is known as, I said that, Ardhasam. Or it is also known as Mandalam. Or Mandalam. So we have been able to see which one I said that. So one leg is thrown out, one leg is, only you have to remember, and one leg is on the ground. Yes. So which are the famous, I said that, Pad mudra? Yes, tell me, which are the famous Pad mudra? Vaishnavam, Alidanam, Prati Alidanam, and then Sampada nahi, Udar Bandha, and Sampada, and another it is, I said that, Ardhasam. इसका मतलब है नटराजा position of, या dancing position in which one leg is thrown out. Simple. One leg is thrown out. Clear? So we have been able to see Hast mudra and which mudra? Pad mudra. Hast mudra mein we have seen Abhay. This is Abhay, Gyan, Dhyan, Tarpan. Is it okay? Abhay, Abhay, Gyan, ध्यान, तर्पण. एंड तर्पण के बाद भूमि स्पर्श, एंड देन धर्म चक्र, एंड देन आई सेड वर्दा. अंडरस्टूड? इट इज ओके. वर्दा मुद्रा. देयर आफ्टर वी हैव सीन पद मुद्रा, एंड इन पद मुद्रा वी हैव सीन, यस टेल मी, वैष्णवम, मोस्टली लक्ष्मी गॉडेस, एंड अलिदानम, दैट यू कैन सी Hanuman, Prati Alidanam. That is, I said that in that one, it will be which one? Left leg. And then we have seen Udar Bandha, Ganesha. And then Sampada, putting equal weight. And then Ardhasam, one leg is thrown out. And another is on the ground. The next mudra that we are going to see, it is for the standing posture or Sarir mudra. मेरे साथ बोलेंगे, संभंगा, अभंगा, द्विभंगा, त्रिभंगा. Which are, I said that? Sambhanga, Abhanga, Dvibhanga, Tribhanga, and Atibhanga. So which are that? I said that. And Tribhanga question has been asked. I said that. Which are, I said that first? Sambhanga, Abhanga, Dvibhanga, Tribhanga, Atibhanga. Sambhanga means I said that this is our head, yes or no? Neck, and then male toro, all are in the same line, all are in the if all are in the same line, it is known as, I said that, Sambhanga. Which one I said that? Head, neck, toro, yeah, torso. Head, neck, torso, all are in the same line. That is known as, I said that, Sambhanga. लिखते चलेंगे, ये सारी चीजें आपको नोट्स में नहीं होगा जो मैं बोल रहा हूं. So I said that, which are, I said, कई जगहों पे मैंने जो बताया है कि थ्रोन आउट लेग, ये सब नहीं है. जिसने लिखा हो, that good for you. I said, क्या मैंने बोला? Sambhanga means that neck, say head, neck and toro, all are in the what? Same line. This is known as, I said that, Sambhanga. Another one I said that, Abhanga. So that is, I said that, listen here, this neck, अब यहाँ पे ये west, neck and west, little I said that bend, slightly bend. कौन सा? Neck and west, ये west, slightly bend, and the rest below there is Sambhanga. Yes or not? West, below there is what? So little bhang, yes or not? Slightly bhang. I said that slightly bend. What I said that? Remember, the word is very much important. Slightly bend. And what is the slightly bend? This neck and then west. Slightly bend. And then hand is on the west. Hand is on the west. Hand कहाँ पे होगा? Yes, tell me. Hand is on the west. Is it okay? Which are we have been able to see? I said that. अब Sambhanga and Abhanga में हमने बोला only slightly bend. Which one? Neck and west. Is it okay? And thereafter Dvibhanga. Dvibhanga means, listen here. This neck, shoulder, ये bend है. Slightly मैंने नहीं बोला. This neck and shoulder and this west is what I said that, little bend. Little bend. Is it okay? This neck along with the shoulder, that is, I said that neck, या बोल दो shoulder, and this west. Bend. Not I said that slightly bend. And thereafter below position is what I said that, Sambhanga. Below position is what? Sambhanga. So what is the, I said that in the Dvibhanga, what is we are able to see? Yes? This neck, yes or no? And then along with this, इसके साथ में neck बोलो या shoulder बोलो एक ही चीज है यहाँ पर. And then west, bend. And after that below west, everything is in the form of what? Up. Equal, it is like this. Is it okay? And in that condition there is no, do not try to put hand on the west. Is it okay? Which are we have seen? Yes, tell me. Abhanga and Dvibhanga. And Dvibhanga के लिए क्या होगा? Yes, tell me. Neck with shoulder, neck and west. Neck and west. Bend. And the below position? Sambhanga. Can you remember? Yes, another what I said, that Tribhanga. Which one? Tribhanga, listen here. Head. अब डांसर ज्यादा जानते होंगे, वो हेड को इधर ले आएंगे. And this shoulder this side, and this waist this side. Yes or not? That kind of position. So Tribhanga, which are the, I said, three bends. Which are the bending positions are? Three bends. Head, shoulder, and then waist. Tribhanga में, and this is the dancing girl, bronze made dancing girl in Mohenjo-daro. Bronze made dancing girl in Mohenjo-daro is, I said that what? Tribhanga. Bronze made Mohenjo-daro of Indus Valley civilization.